Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do normal division on a scientific calculator. We will cover the essential steps to perform this basic arithmetic function accurately. First, identify the division key, which often looks like a forward slash or a small line with two dots. Knowing its location is the first step to confidently dividing any two numbers. We will ensure you understand the proper input order for precise results. To perform a simple division, start by typing in your first number the dividend. For example, if you want to divide 10 by 2, you would first enter 10. Next, press the division key. Then, input your second number, the divisor, which would be 2 in our example. Finally, press the equals button to see your answer, which should be 5. This straightforward process applies to most scientific calculators. When dealing with decimals, simply input them using the decimal point key. For instance, to divide 7.5 by 2, you would type 7.5, then the division key, then 2, and finally equals. The calculator will display the precise decimal answer. For more complex expressions, like dividing the sum of two numbers by another, use parentheses to ensure correct order of operations. This guarantees your calculation is accurate. A crucial point to remember is never to divide by 0. Your calculator will display an error message. Always review the numbers you have entered before hitting the equals button to prevent simple input mistakes. Be aware that while calculators are precise, they have display limitations for extremely long decimal answers, sometimes rounding the final digit. Practice these steps to become proficient and avoid common calculation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.